Bahceli Machine is a Turkish company that entered the hot rolling mill machinery producing industry 52 years ago. It was established by Mr Arif Bagceli in 1970 in Denizli. Our company is considered one of the best hot rolling mill manufacturers locally. Moreover, since we even started this business, we successfully have designed and installed our rolling mill systems in most of the Turkish cities, as like Denizli, İzmir, Karabük, Afyon, Nevşehir, and Çorum. Furthermore, taking into action, we have dealt with many customers from all over the world, as we have exported our products to almost 20 countries, such like Albania, Algeria, Bulgaria, Georgia, Iran, Libya, Russia, and Sudan. Bahceli Machine, the manufacturer of hot rolling mill machinery, specializes in manufacturing the whole system needed, such like the gearbox, the triple gearbox, the combined gearbox, the stands, the straightening machines, the hydraulic billet shears, the cold shears, the automatic lens cutting shears, the fly shear, the flywheel, the coupling, thermex, the rollers, the gardan, shafts, and much more. While using any of the systems we are offering, our customers can produce rebars, angles, NPU, NPI, HEA, HEB, EPA, flat bars, and square bars, with different sizes depends on the client's needs. We, Bahceli Machine, after years of developments and growth, along with our achievements that we only could have reached then, was thanks to the hard work and persistence of all the work crew. We are proud of how far we came to where we are right now, and for our customers' trustworthy that we gained. We are glad that we could achieve our goal to always do our best when it comes to our services.